Hi, I'm Lois Margolin from Lois Margolin LLC. And today I am going to be giving you tips about WhatsApp, one of my favorite programs. I traditionally use WhatsApp on my desktop. However, you can have it on two devices. One must be your phone, and the second can be an iPad, a desktop, whatever. If you use it on your iPad, you have to download an app. If you use it on the desktop, search in your Internet Explorer for WhatsApp desktop. You download the app, and then it will walk you through how you connect it to your phone. Keep in mind, your phone has to be near your desktop in order for the application to work. Well, let's talk about this application for a minute. So here is the application, and I always type in to find things, and here we are. Interesting enough, as you can see across the top, I have a lot of names, and in some places I have phone numbers. The only difference is I have the names physically typed in my phone, but if I want to get hold of Julie, I know what her phone number is, and I know that that's Julie. One of the other things I really like about this program is that it saves our media, links, and docs, so I don't have to keep scrolling up and looking for things. So media is basically just what it says. It is pictures, and you can look at all the different pictures. If I go in here, I can look at all the different pictures, scroll down and find puppies and pizzas and all kinds of things. Docs are any documents that have been uploaded. And links are going to go to our Zoom or maybe somewhere on the internet, but these are just all different kinds of links. So there are two ways for you to get to that. I always get to it by double clicking up here underneath the word Ambassadors Chat. It's the header. And if you're on the phone, you would do the same thing. You double click at the top and it comes to the same place. So you can do this on your phone. The other way you can do this is by clicking on these three dots, and then you can go to group information. Lastly, there's some things you might want to do with one particular post. For instance, I'm going to roll up here. And this was, I just sent out a buddy list. Kim could reply privately. If I was Kim, I could say reply. And if I did that right here and I typed something, it would just reference Becky's note. The other thing I could do is I could reply privately right here, and that would take me out of the ambassadors group and into a one-on-one. I can also forward, but my favorite thing is to star a message. Now, it's very hard to see that you start a message and you're thinking, Lois, why would I use that? I can barely see it. But let's say we go to our group information. There's this little starred section. And underneath that, what we starred will show up. And when we're done with it, we can actually unstar it. If I put in a post, just checking, and I realize, oh my goodness, I made a mistake. What can I do with that? Well, I can delete my post. I cannot delete yours. And I have to delete it for everyone if I don't want anyone to see it. And you see that it's been deleted here. If I delete it just for me, which I don't know why anybody would do that, but everybody else can still see your message. Unfortunately, I cannot delete everybody else's post. So this is some hints and tips about WhatsApp, and I hope you have found them very, very useful. And I look forward to WhatsApping with you down the road. Have a wonderful day.